April 2014, we're in Chicago replacing a bay window. Got the scaffolding set up. You can see the window panes are cloudy and some broken glass. So we'll remove this and we're going to install it with a more contemporary bay window. It's a vinyl window with solid oak framing, and we've also added insulation to the framing. The insulation costs a little bit more, but it's well worth installing. Gives the material a lot better insulation factor and assists in keeping the material stable. Other benefits to this window are the individual windows can be replaced in the event that a piece of glass gets broken. That way the customer doesn't have to buy a whole new bay window. And then the argon gas gives us a lot more insulation value, cut down on drafts. So the next video will show you the installation.